Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan continues its legacy as a reliable and versatile vehicle, perfectly suited for both commercial and personal use. Known for its compact size, practicality, and efficiency, the Carry has been a favorite among small business owners and families looking for an affordable and functional transport solution. With the 2025 model, Suzuki has introduced enhancements in design, technology, and performance, making it an even more attractive choice in the competitive minivan segment. The exterior design of the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for navigating narrow streets and busy urban areas while offering enough space to carry passengers or cargo. The front fascia features updated headlights and a slightly redesigned grille, giving the van a modern yet unpretentious look. Sliding doors on both sides ensure easy access to the interior, even in tight parking spaces, while the robust build quality ensures durability, a hallmark of the Carry line. Inside, the 2025 Carry Minivan offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for its size. The interior is designed with practicality in mind, featuring easy-to-clean materials and a straightforward layout that prioritizes functionality. Depending on the configuration, the van can comfortably seat up to 8 passengers or be customized for cargo transport. The rear seats are foldable, creating a flat loading space that can accommodate goods of various sizes. Storage compartments throughout the cabin add convenience for drivers and passengers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter engine, paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional automatic gearbox. This setup ensures smooth performance, whether you're cruising on highways or maneuvering through crowded city streets. The engine is designed to meet stricter emissions standards while maintaining Suzuki's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs. For those who need added traction, an all-wheel drive option is available, making the Carry a dependable choice for various road conditions. Fuel efficiency is a key selling point of the Suzuki Carry Minivan. With rising fuel costs, the van's impressive mileage makes it an economical option for daily commuting and commercial use. Its compact design further contributes to its efficiency, as the vehicle remains lightweight without compromising on durability or functionality. Additionally, the 2025 model features improvements in suspension and handling, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable ride for drivers and passengers. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan is equipped with modern safety and technology features that enhance its appeal. Standard safety equipment includes dual airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, escape, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims may also include a rear-view camera and advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning. On the technology front, the van is equipped with a 7-inch infotainment system, offering Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Affordability is another major advantage of the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan. It delivers exceptional value for money, with a competitive starting price and low running costs. Its robust design ensures long-term reliability, while Suzuki's extensive service network makes maintenance convenient and cost-effective. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan is a testament to Suzuki's commitment to providing practical, reliable, and efficient vehicles. Whether you're a business owner needing a dependable workhorse or a family looking for a budget-friendly transport solution, the Carry ticks all the right boxes. With its updated design, improved features, and unbeatable practicality, the 2025 Suzuki Carry Minivan remains a top choice for those seeking a compact yet capable vehicle.